Hello everyone, welcome back to our Read Python course. In the previous lecture, we learned about advanced functions, including default arguments, keyword arguments, args, forks, lambda function, and recursion. Here you see we have studied default arguments, lambda. From here you see we have studied default arguments and then keyword arguments. Here you see keyword arguments and args and quad and then lambda function. And in the last we learn recursion. And we have seen examples on recursion. So now today we learn lists, one of the most powerful and commonly used data structures in Python. Lists allow us to store multiple values in a single variable and perform operations like adding, removing, updating, and searching data. So let's get started. Now first, what is list? List. List is an ordered mutable collection of items. Include now here you see list is list is an ordered mutable collection of items that enclosed in square brackets. Mutables mean anything that can be changed. Mutables means you can change the value of any order or list. This is the definition of list. Now let's see example on lists. Let's choose the choose equal to and here we take square bracket because list is taken in square brackets. Now take apple, banana, orange. Here we take items and now let's print use. This is a simple command of list. Here you see apple, banana and orange is printed. Here I give a variable name that is fruits and in fruits I give names apple, banana and orange. And in next I give print command that is print fruit. The apple, banana and orange is printed. Now let's take another example. In this example let's take mixed value or mixed data type. Let's take student is equal to Rahul 20. Then let's integer value 6.5 and let's take true. Here we print today. Same thing will be printed. Here you see Rahul best. Here you see Rahul 26.5 and 2 is printed. Same as this example. But this is mixed data types. Now come to the indexing and list indexing. So list indexing every element has an index. Means if you remember that I have explained that if we start from right to left, it is considered minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. But if we start from left to right, it is considered 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's apple, banana, mango, orange. Now here, if we move from left to right, the apple value is 0, and banana 1, mango 2, and orange is 3. If we move from right to left, then orange will be minus 1, mango will be minus 2, banana will be minus 3, and apple will be minus 4. This is called list indexing. Now let's take example on it. Apple, banana, mango. Let's take orange. Now let's start with fruits, and then between let's take minus 2. So minus 2 is minus 1 is this, and minus 2 is this. So mango will be 20. Here you see mango is the output, because if I have taken it in minus form, means negative form, then I have take it from right to left. So orange is minus 1, mango is minus 2. Let's take 10, 8, then let's take 0, then apple will be printed, because here you see I give 0, that is whole number, means so 0 is considered as apple, and 1 is considered banana, 2 is considered mango, and 3 is considered as orange. And that's fruit, and then take, then it will give output is orange, because 0, apple is 0, banana is 1, and mango is 2, and orange is 3. So that's why I give it 3. Then orange is the output. I hope you understand this. Now come to list slicing. Let's see examples on. Let's first see syntax. List slicing. List start, and this is the syntax of list slicing. Let's take numbers. 20, 30, 50, and 60. Then let's 3. If you remember, I explained it this term. 1 colon, then 4. This is 1 is starting point and 4 is ending point. But ending point will be not painted only in the last of ending term, means only term is 4, means 0, 2, 3, and 4. then fourth term will be not printed, but after the fourth term, third term will be printed. Here you see 20, 30, 40 is printed because I give from 1. 10 is 0, then 1 is 21, 2 and 3. Fourth term will not printed. And here I give only n term. In starting term, I didn't give any term. So that's why it considered as 0. So 0 is 10, 1 is 20, and 2 is 30, and 3 is 40. So that's why 40 is not printed because 3 I given here 3. So before 3 numbered, 2 term will be printed. So that's why 10, 20, and 30 is printed. I have explained the examples earlier. Now let's see another example. Print fruits, sorry, numbers, three. Here you see 40 and 50 is printed because from 3 it is started. 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So that's why 40 and 50 is printed. Now let's see another example. Number then minus 3, then 0. Here you see 30, 40, 50 is printed because minus 3. And this is minus 1, this is minus 2, and this is minus 3, and this is minus 4, and this is minus 5. I give him minus 3 starting point is minus 3. So that's why 30, 40, 50 is printed. I hope you understand this concept. Now come to list method. In list method, we use at it adds an item at the end. Append is item at the end. Means append is used to add the items in the list at the end. Now let's see examples from append. Banana. Let's choose dot append with. Let's I have to add in mango. Print. I give here whose name is apple and banana. And now I have to add mango in the list. So that's why I use a dot fruits dot append and then in semicolon I give here mango because I have to add mango. Then you see apple, banana and mango is printed. After append, this is example of append. Now let's see insert. Let's this let's see. Mm, I have to insert So that's why I use fruits dot insert and then one and then orange. Now here you see, okay, I then give some command then fruits. Now you see here, I give here one orange. I give one because I have to put in the place of one. Here you see apple is 0 and 1 is banana. Then apple is 0. In there, apple is also in 0, but orange is in place of 1 because we considered apple is 0 and then orange is 1 and banana is 2. Then I give command here insert one orange means I give here command to insert in the list orange in the first term. So that's why first output is apple, then orange, and then banana is printed. This is the example of search. Now let's see the example of remove. Let's this one fruits and then fruits dot remove and I to remove banana. Then print fruits. Here you see banana will be removed. Here you see the output is only apple because banana is removed from this list. This is the use of remove command. Now let's see pop command. Let's take let's add in this orange. Fruits dot pop. Pop is used to remove the last item. Then print fruits. Here you see the last item is orange. The output will be only apple and banana because pop is used to remove the last item of the list. Here you see apple and banana is the output and orange is removed from the list. Pop used to remove the last item from the list. Last item from the list. This is a use of pop. Now you see the output is only apple and banana. Orange is removed. Now come to the next topic, that is clear. Clear is used to delete all the elements or all the list items. It is used to delete all the elements. Now let's call, let's take mango, then clean, then print fruit. Here you see from the list is cleared or deleted. Only square bracket is left. Apple, mango, banana is removed from the list or deleted from the list. This is the use of clear command. Now come to sort. I have explained it what is sort. Sort we use to sort is used to arrange the numbers in ascending order. What's taking off equal to left to 72, 72, 11, and then 35. Then left mark or sort, and then marks. Now you see the output is 45, then 70, and then 80, and 90, and then 19. Because sort is used to arrange the items in ascending order. First, smallest term will become, then smallest to greater term will be printed first. So that's why here 45, then 70, then 80, and then 90, and then 99 is printed. This is the use of sort command. Now let's see reverse. Reverse is used to reverse the commands. Now let's save this is from March. Then March plus reverse. And then save. Now here you see it reverse the items. Here I give first term is 90, then 80, and then 90, then 70, then 99, and then 45. Here you see 45 is 20 first, then 99, then 70, then 90, then 80. Means reverse is used to reverse the items. Used to reverse the items. So this is the use of reverse command. Now comes to count. Let's take numbers equal to 7, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 7, 9. Here we have 8 items. Now, let's change numbers, the count. Let's count of 2. Okay, 2. By using count, it counts the two, two, uh, two items from the list, means how many 2 is there in the list. Here I give 2. I have to count how many 2 are in the list. So I give here 2. Now you see the output is 2 because in the list 2 is written in 2 terms. Written is 2 times. So that's why 2 is limited. If I have to count 5, the output will be 1 because 5 is Print is 5 is in the list only in one times. So that's why one is printed. If I need to type again. Now let's print. Here you see 3 is printed because 5 is repeated 3 times. Here you see 5 is repeated 3 times. So that's why 3 is the output. So this is the use of count. It counts how many times the number is printed. This is use of count. The count is used to count how many times the items is repeated in a list. Now come to index. Numbers dot index and let's do one thing number numbers. Now here you see index identity. What happens here? It only gives spaces in the list. Okay, right. One, then eight, so eight is not in the list. No. Index is only used to give spaces between the items because here you see it only gives spaces between the items. Nothing else is happening. So this is the use of index. Now come to let's see the copy command. Copy command is used to copy the items in the existed list. Dot, dot, copy. Now print new list. Here you see copy. Now here you see copy command is used to copy the items from the existing list and make the new list and or converting new list. Means copy command is used to copy the items or list from the existing variables, then convert it into new list. This is called copy command. Now let's put list traversal. Let's take example of list. Traversal. Let's take this. Traversal. And and now here we go for item food change item. Here we see apple, banana, and mango is printed in single lines. That's the use of list transversal. Now let's see another command length. Length is used to measure the length of any list or any variable. Now let's take this int number that length. Then what happens? So, here we go. Length number. Oh, that's good. Here you see 10 is printed because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. 10 items are present in the number. So that's why the length is 10. Means length is used to measure the length of the items or list. To measure the length of the list. Now let's see example in for loop for I in range. Here you see also used to perform the items in single lines. Nothing else is changed. Now let's see last example using while loop. That's I is equal to 0. Let's take this case as same. While I is greater than length of loop during loop and start bracket is I then I plus is equal to 1. Now here we see it also changes nothing. This also prints apple, banana, and mango in single lines. Nothing is changed. This is the example in for loop, while loop, and in for loop. This is the example for loop. This is example in for loop, but in iPhone, and this is example of while loop. All are all outputs are same. Nothing changes. So that's all for today. We are studies today. From here we have studied. From list I we have studied. List is a order mutable collection of Items intelligence brackets. Here we see examples and we study list indexing, list slicing, list method that is appends, insert, remove, pop, clear, sort, reverse, count, index, copy, and list transversal and length. This is the examples of all of it. So also remember it and try to practice all these codes by your side and yourself. Thank you for today. We will learn new things in the next class. Thank you.